In solution-focused therapy, we lead with hope, but that hope must be grounded, ethical, respectful, and real. This is what we call the ethics of hope. It's not about blind optimism or false reassurance. It's about offering a future-focused lens while holding space for complexity. SFT centers strengths, but it never ignores pain. When a client is struggling, we don't rush to silver linings. We slow down. We ask, what's been hardest lately? What helps even a little? This balance, acknowledging suffering while tracking possibility, is core to ethical practice. We also set boundaries clearly and kindly. Because SFT isn't about giving clients everything they want. It's about helping them identify what matters most and what's possible from where they are now. We ask, what's within your control right now? What would be a meaningful next step, not a perfect one? The ethics of hope remind us not to overpromise. SFT isn't a magic fix. It's a framework for sustainable client-led growth. That means we're careful not to impose our own goals. We don't assume what success looks like. We ask. We check in. We stay aligned. It also means we challenge respectfully. If a client sets a goal that feels unrealistic, we might say, what would be a small sign that you're moving in that direction? What's a version of that goal that feels doable right now? Boundaries show up in how we use compliments too. We offer them based on what clients show us, not as flattery, but as recognition. You kept going even though it was hard. That says something about you. That's ethical encouragement. It's grounded in truth. In team settings, SFT ethics guide collaboration. We respect each professional's lens. We don't speak for the client. We invite them to lead their narrative. When hope becomes pressure, just focus on the positive. We've lost the point. SFT is not toxic positivity. It's fierce, honest hope rooted in the belief that even small steps matter. Boundaries also protect therapists. We don't promise transformation. We promise presence. Curiosity. And if the work stalls, we revisit the foundation. What would be worth working toward again? Sometimes, the most hopeful thing we can do is sit with someone in the in-between, without forcing resolution. That's what makes this work ethical. We honor autonomy, we stay client-paced, and we trust that hope, when offered wisely, becomes a tool for real change. Because ethical hope doesn't rush the process. It illuminates the next step and makes room for the human complexity behind every goal.